G'day guys and girls, welcome back. We're about to get our little 40 horsepower Trident here and take out this bloody silky oak tree. He's dying real bad, been dying, you know, for a fair while now, but it's starting to drop stuff all over me shed and everything else down in here, so we're going to get him out and drop him down in here. So we'll dig around him with the little backhoe. And are you right there? Are you right? Yes you are. We're going to dig around him with the backhoe, dig all these roots around, and then hopefully just give him a bit of persuasion to drop over in there. Right on top of that horse would be fantastic. Maybe not. But yeah, so we'll get this little Trident working and start digging this out. Right, we got him through his front pin onto a sling here. Let's see if we can get him backwards. Hopefully I'll miss this shed. Oh, it's going to be close. It's going to be close. Oh, I just grazed it. Just grazed it, miss. That's got him. Right, with a little help from the Colorado, because it's a big stump caught on the lip. I just wedged him out, and now we're good to go.
Thanks, Brock. Let's get this stump put up in here somewhere. You going to follow the drive? Just hold him there. Just leave him like that. Let him go. Just leave him like that for a while. The rain will wash all that mud and stuff off him. Okay, go fill your holes in now.